Welcome to my channel. I'm Robin Clevitt and I'm doing a quick piece for you about fixing sheathing. Now this could be plywood, it could be OSB. In my case I'm using OSB. What the OSB does, it provides a really rigid surface to hold all of your timber work together. But there's a couple of things you should know about OSB and plywood. The first thing they recommend is you leave in imperial 1/8 of an inch, roughly 3 millimeters on all of the joints. And basically I'm going to put this one up and show you how I fix it. First thing I did was plumb down and marked up my studs on the bottom here, just so I've got a reference. I've popped a couple of pins which are the right thickness, they're roughly 3 millimeters, in between this board that's fixed here and the one I'm going to fix here. Right, so I'll pop this in. So it's really handy because the pins give you that perfect gap. I've got one at the bottom as well to make sure it's all true, make sure the edges are right, and then what we need to do is fix that from the center out. Now the reason why you fix the center is if it's a pillowed board, it's got a bit of a cup or a bow in it, and you fix the edges, you're not going to pull that back straight, it's going to keep a belly in it, so it's really crucial you do that. So I've got my board in position, take my level onto my marks, mark that up, same here, and then we're going to fix that. What I like to do is pop a pin in before I fix it fully, just in one corner to make sure it's exactly where I want it. He says, look at that, look, that's the classic, that is. Don't ever film yourself doing anything, because this is what happens. You get a runaway nail. Alright, we'll do that properly this time. So we'll fix one in the corner here. I'm just going to hold it, no more than that. Check it everywhere, and then we can fix it from the middle out. Alright? Get one row here. Once you've got the centre done, it's flat. Then you can go around, finish it off. Sometimes you find with timber framing they give you a nailing pattern and a distance between the nails. Sometimes it's as close as 3 inches or 75 mil. In my case we're around about 200 millimeters for this. So that's basically the board fixed correctly. I'm going to show you how I measure and get the angles. I'll show you down the other end. This represents the board. The cut board is just the cut off the top. And what I start by doing is butting that in here, marking it where it meets my intersection here. The next thing is very straightforward. Level that back across to the previous board edge here. Now I keep my board edge there square right the way across. Measure down from the top 667. Write that on there. That's the measurement. Now when I go and mark what I'm cutting is this. So when I go and measure off the board, I'm coming down 667 here. Now all I've got to do is measure the flat one on the top. I know that was 332, and that'll fit exactly right in there as well. So I hope that's helped you and taken a bit of a myth out of how you should fix sheathing. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm Robin Clevitt. See you soon.